Hola estudiantes, this video is all about the future tense. There are two ways to express the future. We can use the word going to, or we could use the word will, such as I'm going to open gifts, or I will open gifts. This going to version you have already learned in Spanish. You learned it back in Spanish 1 when we learned the word go is voy, vas, va, vamos, and van. So, and then after you always put that word and then you put the verb unconjugated of what it is that you're going to do. So for instance, as I make this video, Christmas is a few days away, which I'll be celebrating, and I will say what I'm going to do. Voy a abrir regalos. Literally, I am going to open gifts. So what is going to be new today is the word will, and that's going to will in Spanish will have a whole new set of conjugations that go with it, and we'll call that the future tense. So how you form this tense is you're going to take the entire infinitive, and that's going to be keeping your AR, ER, and IR part on, and then you're going to add your new ending. So this is different from every other tense where you take off the ending, you keep it on, and then you still add the new ending. Note these new endings, a, as, a, hemos, es, an. Most of them have accent marks on them. The 2-1 still ends in s. La, usted, it still ends with a vowel. Nosotros always ends in mos. They always ends in n. So they shouldn't be too difficult to learn these new endings. So for instance, if I want to say I will open gifts, abrir is to open. So my I ending is a for abriré regalos. We will eat ham. Comer is to eat. To do the we will part, I add hemos onto the very end of the word, jamón. Comeremos jamón. The nice thing about this future tense is there's not many irregular verbs at all. There's going to be no stem changing nor spell changing in this tense. Ir, ser, estar, a bunch of those are regular as well, so you don't have to worry about those. What is going to be irregular are these different groups. So kind of like we did with the preterite tense where some words just have a new way that they start, that's going to be the same thing in the future tense. I have a group where they get D's in them. There's a group where they drop their last vowel, which in this case are all E's. And then we have the other group. So I would screenshot this. Writing them down would be even better because you get practice writing. There's a Quizlet set that will help you learn them. Doing your homework is always good practice too. I'm pretty sure there's some songs on YouTube of people making rhymes with these to remember them as well. I'm going to do some practices now with both regular and irregular future tense. So if I wanted to say you will sleep, dormir is to sleep. A U ending is dormirás, so that as part on the end is what makes it you will. They will watch TV. Mirar to watch. They will part is on televisión. Or you can just say tele to make it like TV instead of television. She will cook. Cocinar to cook. She will part is cocinará. Notice how I'm leaving the ending on all of these. To come is venir. Nadie. Venir. Venir was on this irregular list though, where it gets a D in it. So I have to have vendrá. So it has the D in it. My new ending is the La usted one because nadie is one person, no one. We will be able to is poder. It's also on the irregular list, so it drops the E. Podremos. We will be able to celebrar. Last one, I will say Feliz Navidad. Decir, to say, is on a separate other list. Dir is how it starts, so dire for I will. Feliz Navidad. Well, I might not be able to say Feliz Navidad as you're watching this video, but I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope this video was an easy surprise of future tense is just regular, keep the whole word, and then these few endings, not too many irregulars. Adios.